Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install MySQL Workbench on Windows 11 or 10 operating systems. Then we will connect MySQL Server. Okay, first go to MySQL official website and download mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL Workbench, then select Microsoft Windows, then click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 250 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download completed. Now click on this MSI file to install. Click on next. See, this is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on change and select the path. I am okay with the default, so click on next. See, here we have two types of setups, complete or custom. I am going to select complete, then click on next. Ready to install, click on install. See, you have successfully installed. See the checkbox, launch the MySQL Workbench now. Keep it and click on finish. Now we will connect MySQL Server. I have already installed MySQL Server. If you want, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Server on Windows operating systems. Then click on this plus button or go to database and connect to database. Both are same. MySQL is installed on this one, so loopback IP is fine. If it is installed on some other one, then provide that host name. Port number 3306. Username, I have the root. Then provide the password for this root account. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on this connection. See, you have successfully connected. See, here we have two tabs, administration and schemas. Go to schemas. See, these are the list of the databases there in MySQL Server. If you want to run queries against this bank database, use bank. Select star from, I have table customer, put semicolon, select these two lines, click on execute. So you got the output. Okay, if you want to see the user admin, now if you go to administration, see here we have different applications, users, users and privileges. Now here we can create the user accounts. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install MySQL Workbench on Windows operating systems. Then we have seen how to connect MySQL from the MySQL Workbench. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.